Man, how do I make this any better?
What's up, man? You're looking pretty bummed out.
Bro, my videos suck.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know, man. I'm just no good editing. The camera's all shaky.
Oh, dude, well, you should check out my Rich Media program. We've been using Adobe to help edit all of our films, make top-tier content.
In Rich Media Communications, you'll be utilizing programs from the Adobe Creative Suite like Premiere and After Effects, creating seamless video productions with graphical interlays that work hand in hand with your works, like this here. All of the graphics and animation that you see here were actually made using tools that were built into Adobe After Effects. Pretty neat. You have a seamless video. You'll also be keyframing, creating deep animation cycles. And with Cinema 4D, we'll even be creating believable 3D objects and environments.
Hey, man, and never forget, with new media, production, and design, anything is possible.